Mr. Carroll, what's going on with you, sir?
Ma'am, I honestly I couldn't even remember that they was up under the buggy, okay? And I had tried to swipe my credit card, my SSI come through, and it failed. So I didn't even think to look up under the bottom because I had some other stuff up under the bottom too that I guess that they didn't see or whatever. But I didn't even know. I just forgot. I was mad. I was about to hurry up and leave out. And then that's when they called me before I got out. And I honestly did not even know that they were up under the bottom. I promise.
Mr. Carroll, raise your right hand for me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm any testimony you give in this matter will be true?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You're before the court on 2024 CR 10471 Henry Lee Carroll III, theft by shoplifting and marijuana 1 ounce or less. Mr. Lynch, what is your client plea to the offenses before the court?
Judge, it's going to be a guilty plea to count 1, theft by shoplifting, and I believe count 2 will be null pros.
All right, by entering a plea of guilty to count 1, count 2 will be null pros. You give up the right to have a trial by jury or judge. You give up the right to have the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. And you give up the right to have the presumption of innocence in your favor. You give up the right to confront witnesses, subpoena witnesses, present testimony and evidence on your behalf, to not incriminate yourself. And if you're not a United States citizen, a plea of guilty or no contest could negatively impact your immigration status. Do you understand all of these things?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right. Factual basis recommendation, please.
Yes, Your Honor. On or about October 29th of 2023, Officer Proctor was working an off-duty part-time job at 7050 Spur 85, Riverdale, Georgia, Clayton County, also known as the Walmart. Walmart asset protection staff advised that they observed the defendant attempting to steal merchandise. Officer Proctor did observe the defendant on video camera. The Walmart asset protection staff did inform the officer that the defendant proceeded to exit the stores, passing out points of sale without paying for the unpaid merchandise. At that time, the defendant was detained and arrested.
Do we know what he stole?
I am actually looking for that now, Your Honor. 1 second.
It's not on the accusation, Your Honor, but in the police report, it appears that it was some underwear.
Okay.
In a bag.
All right. Mr. Carroll, what's going on with you, sir?
Ma'am, I honestly I couldn't even remember that they was up under the buggy, okay? And I had tried to swipe my credit card, my SSI come through, and it failed. So I didn't even think to look up under the bottom because I had some other stuff up under the bottom too that I guess that they didn't see or whatever. But I didn't even know. I just forgot. I was mad. I was about to hurry up and leave out. And then that's when they called me before I got out. And I honestly did not even know that they were up under the bottom, I promise, because I had a lot of stuff that I didn't get because my card didn't go through.
Okay.
And Your Honor, this was over a year ago when this incident occurred. It was October 23 of 2023. Mr. Carroll was taken into custody this year on December 19th. He's currently been in jail 19 days.
All right. Recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor. The first recommendation is 4 months probation, 40 hours of community service, a fine of $200. The defendant is to complete the theft prevention course and to not return and stay away from the incident location. Again, 7050 Highway 85 Riverdale, also known as the Walmart, Clayton County. And for count 2, the second and not cross count 2.
All right, Mr. Taylor, I heard SSI. Is he a candidate for probation?
Yes, he is, Your Honor. And not only is he a candidate for probation, he has a position waiting for him in Florida. He's going to be doing, he's volunteering, it's a paid volunteership to do medical testing with the flight staff at NASA, basically participating in experiments that allows, you know, but he gets paid for those. I think
Alrighty then.
Interesting and a little bit.
All right. So, Mr. Carroll, I'll make you this deal. You complete the 40 hours of community service and the theft prevention course, the $200 fine will be suspended, and you're not to go back to any Walmart. And if you complete, as soon as you complete the 40 hours and the theft prevention course, then I'll terminate your probation so you can go take that job at NASA.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent, Your Honor. We thank you so much.
All right, just don't let me see you back here with this foolishness again, Mr. Carroll. You go make America great with NASA.
Promise you, I will.
All right, take care, sir.
Yes, ma'am. You good?
All right, who's next?